To pay with Klarna at eBay in 2025, start by ensuring you have a Klarna account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for free on the Klarna website. Once you have an account, follow these steps to complete your purchase on eBay. First, find the item you want to purchase on eBay and click on the Buy It Now or Add to Cart button. Proceed to the checkout page where you will see various payment options. Look for the Klarna option, which may be listed as Pay Later or Pay in Installments. Select the Klarna payment option and you will be redirected to the Klarna website to log into your account. Enter your email address and password to authenticate your account. After logging in, you will be presented with the payment options available to you, such as Pay Now, Pay Later, or Pay in Installments. Choose the payment option that best suits your needs and review the terms and conditions of your payment plan. Make sure you understand the repayment schedule, interest rate, and any fees associated with your chosen payment plan. Once you have selected your payment plan, confirm your payment details and agree to the terms and conditions. You will then be redirected back to the eBay website where your payment will be processed. You will receive a confirmation email from both eBay and Klarna once your payment has been successfully processed. It is essential to note that Klarna may perform a soft credit check to verify your identity and determine your eligibility for their payment plans. This will not affect your credit score, but it will help Klarna to assess your creditworthiness. To avoid any issues with your payment, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of your purchase. Also, make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. By following these steps, you can easily pay with Klarna at eBay in 2025. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your payment plan and make timely payments to avoid any issues. Klarna provides a convenient and flexible payment option for eBay purchases, allowing you to buy now and pay later.